Welcome back to Grassroots Tactics. This series is all about the principles of play, the building blocks that connect your philosophy of football to what actually happens on the pitch. So far, we've looked at two attacking principles: penetration, moving forward towards goal, and width, stretching the pitch to create space. Today, it's time for principle number 3, support. So what is support? Support means providing options for the player on the ball. It's about teammates moving into good positions so the ball carrier is never left isolated. Support can be in front of the ball, runs that keep the attack flowing. Support can be behind the ball, a safe option to recycle possession. Or it can be to the side, giving angles that make passing easier and open up space. When support is good, football looks fluid, the ball moves quickly, attacks stay alive, and players have confidence to take risks because they know options are around them. Why is support so important in grassroots football? Because young players often focus only on the ball. They either chase it or they stand still and wait for it. This leaves the ball carrier with no options. They're forced into a risky dribble or a hopeful pass. Teaching support encourages movement off the ball. Players start to see the bigger picture. Football isn't just about what you do when you're on the ball. It's also about how you help your teammates when you don't have it. Support turns individuals into a team. Without it, possession breaks down quickly. With it, your side can control the game, build attacks, and make opponents chase shadows. Let's look at what happens when support is missing. Number 1, the lone dribbler. A player tries to beat 2 or 3 defenders not because they're selfish, but because nobody has offered them an option. Number 2, flat lines. Teammates stand on the same horizontal line. Passing becomes predictable, easy to defend. Number 3, no angles. Everyone is either directly in front or directly behind. Passing lanes are blocked. Number 4, panic clearances. With no support nearby, players kick the ball away just to escape pressure. These mistakes aren't down to poor decisions. They're usually the result of poor support.
Now let's look at good support in action. At grassroots level, picture an under 10 with the ball on the wing. If no one moves, that player is trapped. But if a midfielder drops inside to offer a pass and a striker peels wide to stretch the defense, suddenly the ball carrier has 3 options: play inside, play forward, or dribble. That's support. At the professional level, watch teams like Barcelona or Manchester City. Notice how the player on the ball always seems to have 2 or 3 simple passes. That's not luck, it's coordinated movement. Teammates constantly adjusting their positions to give angles and outlets. So, how do we coach support? 1. Rondo practices. Small possession games where players must move to create angles. The ball carrier quickly learns who supports well and who hides. 2. Positional games. For example, 4 versus 4 plus 3 neutrals. Neutrals always provide support, showing players how to use depth and angles to keep the ball alive. 3. Conditioned small-sided games. Add rules such as the ball must go through 3 players before scoring, or you need 2 supporting passes before a shot. These conditions encourage constant movement and awareness. 4. Progressions. For younger players, keep it simple. Don't hide. Show for the ball. For older players, add detail. Support at different angles. Support at different distances. Short support when under pressure. Longer runs when there's space to attack. Key coaching points. Support means moving before the ball arrives. Players must think 1 step ahead. Encourage communication, pointing, calling, showing. Teach the diamond shape. A player on the ball should have options: left, right, forward, and backward. That balance keeps possession flowing. Support also links with the other principles. Width creates space, but without support, that space is wasted. Penetration is powerful, but it only works if supporting players are ready to combine, cover, or offer the next pass. Support is the glue of attacking play. It holds everything together. Let's recap. Support is the 3rd attacking principle of play. It means giving options to the ball carrier, forward, backward, and sideways. It stops players being isolated, it keeps possession flowing, and it turns individual effort into team play. At grassroots level, support teaches players the importance of off-the-ball movement, communication, and awareness. It's the difference between panic football and confident, purposeful possession. Next up, we'll look at principle number 4, depth, and how providing cover in both attack and defense creates balance for your team. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to Grassroots Tactics. It really helps the channel grow and ensures you don't miss the next part of the series.